Using a technology broker saves you valuable time. We handle the research, source suppliers, and negotiate terms, allowing you to focus on your core business. Brokers offer expert advice, helping you understand the intricacies of your purchase. Their knowledge ensures you make informed decisions tailored to your specific needs. With market expertise, brokers excel in negotiation. They leverage their experience to secure better deals. Suppliers recognize the competitive edge brokers bring to the table. Brokers provide access to exclusive resources, including supplier specials and deals unavailable to the general public. This access can lead to significant cost savings. From sourcing suppliers to implementation, brokers guide you through every step. Their support ensures a smooth process, minimizing potential pitfalls along the way. Brokers offer ongoing support, assisting with installations and reducing stress. Their involvement ensures that any issues are promptly addressed, providing peace of mind. By understanding your unique needs, brokers deliver customized solutions. They ask the right questions to ensure the technology fits your specific requirements perfectly. Brokers connect you with a wide range of suppliers, offering more options than you could find independently. This diversity ensures you find the best fit for your needs.